Chemistry is already hard enough and word questions make it even worse. Most students overcomplicate them and lose marks for stupid reasons. Here is exactly what I did to ace them. First, you are always going to add a formula in your answers. Even if a question doesn't ask for it, you need to put in some sort of reaction equation or formula just to add deeper understanding to the question. This is usually like a point in the marking criteria, like did they show a relationship? And a relationship is literally just a chemical reaction or a formula. Second, you need to define key terms. If the question asks you to explain it in terms of collision theory, which is an example, define collision theory first. If it asks you to talk about Le Chatelier's principle, define Le Chatelier's principle. These small things will add clarity to your answer because you actually know what you're talking about. And usually in the marking criteria, to get 1 or 2 marks, there's a thing which says like explains or defines. So you actually need to do it. It's part of the marking criteria. Thirdly is to understand the verbs in the question. These are pretty easy. You can search this up online. For example, identify and explain are different. If it said identify, you would just list. If it said explain, you need cause and effect. The word they use in the question is crucial because it actually tells you what they want you to do. So get familiar with the key verbs and that will serve you very well. Next, and this is a massive mistake, it's not English. We are not writing English essays. Stop writing full paragraphs. Literally use dot points, use diagrams, use tables when comparing stuff, even use arrows. Like for example, I would write, instead of writing the reaction rate increases with the words, I would write rate and then an up arrow, and then a down arrow for decreases. Like you can do that. It's chemistry, it's not English. Lastly, you need to remember the content properly. Stop writing notes, it's passive recall. You need to be using Anki and flashcards for active recall and spaced repetition. I use Anki to literally remember every single reaction and every single concept for year 11 and 12 chem. If you want to learn how to use Anki to ace your exams, follow me and comment Anki, and I'll send you a link to my full guide inside my free online community of over 8,000 students.